Hello and welcome to phuketpals GED Express screencast with me, Teacher Eman. Today's lesson focuses on evaluating functions. But before we continue with evaluating functions, let us define function first. What is a function? A function is a mathematical rule that relates an input to exactly one output. Again, a mathematical rule that relates an input to exactly one output. As an example, add 5 is a function. Why? Because it takes any input number, which is also called the domain, and gives one output, the number plus 5. In algebra, functions are given names, and the most common are f, d, and h. If the rule that relates the output and input is given, it is shown using function symbols. For example, the function add 5 can be written in the form as shown on the screen. F, the function name, and the enclosed x is the input, and it is equal to x plus 5, which is the output. Now, the whole notation can be read as f of x is equals to x plus 5. Let's proceed to evaluating function. How to evaluate a function. But before we do so, let us take note that in any function rule, the x or other variable acts as a placeholder for the domain of that function. To evaluate a function means to substitute a number for this variable. For example, f of -1 means you should replace each x in the rule with -1. Let's see using an example. If f of x is equals to x to the power of 2 plus 1, find the value of the function where the input is equal to 3, or x is equals to 3. Substitute 3 to the value of x, then we have 3 to the power of 2 plus 1, which is equal to 10. Easy, right? Let's see some other example. If g of a is equals to a to the power of 2 minus 2a plus 5, find the value of the function where the input is equal to -2, or the value of a is -2. Again, let's substitute -2 to a. Then we have -2 to the power of 2 minus 2 times -2 plus 5. Following the order of operation, having the exponent first and the multiplication, we have 4 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 13. Let's try another example. What is the value of h of n is equals to n plus 1 if n, the input, is equals to 10? Again, simply substitute n by 10, then we have 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Okay, let's try some more functions. Okay, for questions number 1 and 2, we will be using the function given. F of x is equals to 5x plus 2, and find the given value. Now for number 1, the value of the input is 4, or the value of x is 4. Again, substitute x by 4. So we have 5 times 4 plus 2. Following the order of operation, we need to do the multiplication first. So we have 20 plus 2, and then the addition. Then the value of the function, where the input is equals to 4, is equals to 22. Another, the input is equals to negative 6, or the value of x is equals to negative 6. Again, substitute x by negative 6. Then follow the order of operation. 5 times negative 6, we have negative 30. And then plus 2, we have negative 28. So the value of the function where the input is equals to negative 6 is negative 28. Now let's try some more questions. Okay, question number 3 and 4, we will be looking at the given functions. The function name is g, and we can the whole function as g of x is equals to 2x to the power of 2 minus x plus 3, and find the given value. For number 3, the value of the input is 0, or the value of x is 0. Now again, let's just substitute x by 0. So we have 2 times 0 to the power of 2 minus 0 plus 3. Now the answer is 3. Number 4, the input is negative 1, or the value of x is negative 1. Substitute, we have 2 times negative 1 to the power of 2 minus negative 1 plus 3. Then we have 2 plus 1 plus 3. Then the value of the function where the value of x is negative 1 is equal to 6. That's all for this video. If you'd like to know more about Phuket Pals, see our Facebook page or call us on 081-417-0978. If you find this video useful, please hit the subscribe button below. It helps us help more people like you.